Welcome to this new video in our series on how technology is transforming business management. Today we're going to talk about something fundamental to the success of any organization: predicting human behaviors and optimizing the workforce. With the help of artificial intelligence and advanced analytics, companies can predict performance, identify opportunities to improve productivity, and maximize the potential of their employees. I will show you how these tools enable you to make informed talent management decisions and how to optimize your team's performance in real time. In a competitive business environment, understanding and predicting employee behaviors is crucial to making strategic decisions. The ability to foresee which employees are at risk of low productivity, who are more likely to leave the company, or even who has the potential to lead key projects, can make the difference between success and failure. Thanks to advanced analytics and predictive AI modeling, it is now possible to analyze historical patterns of behavior to predict how employees will act in the future. This allows managers to make proactive decisions, improve talent retention, and optimize overall workforce performance. AI models are able to analyze a wealth of data on employees' past performance, such as productivity, attendance, performance appraisals, and job satisfaction. From this information, AI can forecast future performance, identify which employees might need additional support or training, and suggest strategies to improve talent retention. For example, an AI algorithm could identify patterns of behavior that indicate that certain employees are at risk of burnout or demotivation, allowing managers to take action before the problem affects productivity. Optimizing the workforce involves using real-time data to improve task allocation, scheduling, and human resource management. With the help of advanced analytics, managers can identify which areas of the business need more support, which teams are underperforming, and which employees are overworked. This allows workloads to be adjusted in real time, better balancing responsibilities and ensuring that each team member is working in their areas of greatest strength. In addition, AI systems can optimize work schedules, ensuring that productivity is aligned with the needs of the business at any given time. Machine learning not only predicts employee behavior, but can also improve their work experience. By analyzing data on satisfaction, performance, and motivation, machine learning can identify areas where employees feel demotivated or stressed, suggesting personalized solutions to improve their workplace experience. For example, the system may suggest additional breaks, professional development opportunities, or a redistribution of tasks that improve employee well-being and ultimately increase productivity. Leading companies such as Google and Unilever are already using AI and advanced analytics to manage their workforce. At Google, AI systems help identify burnout patterns and adjust break times or project assignments to maintain a high level of performance. Unilever, meanwhile, uses AI to analyze performance appraisals and predict which employees might be ready for leadership roles. These examples demonstrate how predicting human behavior and optimizing the workforce with AI can lead to significant improvements in productivity and employee satisfaction. Predicting human behavior and optimizing the workforce is essential for any company that wants to stay competitive in today's environment. If you want to find out how AI and advanced analytics can improve the management of your team and maximize their productivity, contact me on LinkedIn. I'm here to help you implement these solutions in your company. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel to keep learning how technology can transform your business.